In this very first video, let us see the pronunciation of the word Tamil as the native speakers say it, and that is Tamil. Tamil. The letter Ra is unique to the language and it is very different from the Z sound of English. Tamilians are impressed when a non-native speaker pronounces it right. Let me use the letters ZHA hereafter for the purpose of transliteration for the sound Ra. Let's see a couple of short phrases. Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. That's the state of Tamil Nadu. Tamiran. Tamiran. Tamilian. Tamil Mori. And that translates to Tamil language. Make a small effort and you'll be impressed how often the Ra is used in Tamil. Vanakkam. Vanakkam. This is a widely used word among Tamilians and it has a few other meanings such as hello, welcome, greetings. Though you also hear the word hello in day-to-day modern conversation, in written and formal context only vanakkam is used and never the English hello. Try to greet with vanakkam instead of hello when you meet someone or when you speak to someone over phone and you'll be appreciated. It can also be used to a group of people and it's a polite way of saying hello. How are you? எப்படி இருக்க? எப்படி இருக்க? It's an informal way of asking how are you and it can be asked to a child, person younger to you who you know well and even close relatives with whom you can be informal. While எப்படி இருக்கீங்க, that is formal. It is used in formal writing, formal addressing to elders and to persons of respectable social standing. எப்படி இருக்கீங்க. This is also being used when you talk to more than one person regardless of formal or informal terms since it is the plural form. I'm fine. நான் நல்லா இருக்கேன். நான் நல்லா இருக்கேன். நல்லா இருக்கேன். You can also say நல்லா இருக்கேன். Welcome. Come. வாங்க. வாங்க. வாங்க வாங்க. This is very commonly used as a gesture of welcome and it is said twice with a cheerful tone to show enthusiasm like vanga vanga or please come in. Vanga, come. Vanga vanga, please come in. Take your seat. Sit down. உட்காருங்க. உட்காருங்க. உட்காரு, that is singular, and உட்காருங்க, that is plural. Please eat. சாப்பிடுங்க. சாப்பிடுங்க. சாப்பிடு. While சாப்பிடு is singular and informal, சாப்பிடுங்க is plural and formal. Let me take my leave. போயிட்டு வரேன். போயிட்டு வரேன். This literally translates to I'm going and I'll come back. Interestingly, it's considered ominous to say I'm going as it can be of the meaning that you are going to live forever. So it's always nicer to say the above, which implies you'll come back at some point of time. However, you could say I'm going when you've already suggested where you're heading to. நான் போறேன். Let me take my leave. நான் கிளம்புறேன். நான் கிளம்புறேன். நான் கிளம்புறேன். This literally translates to I'm getting ready. Colloquially and contextually, this also means I am leaving. One can also say கிளம்புறேன். கிளம்புறேன்.